In this video, I'll show you how to generate code with Cursor AI. Whether you're building a website, a Python script, or a mobile app, Cursor AI can help you write code much faster. First, open Cursor AI and load your project folder. Once your project is open, create a new file or open an existing one where you want to add code. Now open the **AI chat * panel or use the AI command shortcut. Type a clear prompt describing what you want. For example, you can ask Cursor AI to create a login page, write a Python calculator, build a REST API, or generate a JavaScript function. The more details you provide, the better the generated code will be. After submitting your prompt, Cursor AI will analyze your request and generate code within a few seconds. Read through the generated code carefully before using it. Make sure it matches your project requirements and coding style. If you want to improve the result, ask follow-up questions. For example, you can request better performance, stronger security, cleaner formatting, or additional features. Cursor AI remembers the conversation, making it easy to refine the code step by step. You can also highlight an existing section of code and ask Cursor AI to extend it, refactor it, or generate missing functions. This is a great way to save time while keeping your project organized. Before finishing, always test the generated code by running your project. AI-generated code is helpful, but it's still important to verify that everything works correctly and fix any errors if needed. That's it, you've successfully learned how to generate code with Cursor AI. In the next video, I'll show you how to fix code using Cursor AI and quickly solve programming errors.